in the star topology, the diagram, we can take an example of this diagram. This can be a switch. Those could be computers, computer 1, computer 2, computer 3, computer 4. So computers are linked using a connectivity device which we can call a switch or we can call a hub. That is the unique point about the star topology. So if you look at the star topology, if I add the number of computers, I'm only adding them to the available ports on the switch. So adding computers does not compromise the response time of the network. That is in the star topology. And that tells us that we can easily expand the size of the star network or the star topology. Another point when you're looking at the star topology, it is the easiest topology to troubleshoot. The easiest topology to troubleshoot. And what does that mean? When we are looking for faults in a network, it is so easy to do it in the star topology. For example, I can disconnect computer 4. If I have a feeling that computer 4 is the one which is causing a problem on the network. If I disconnect computer 4, then I check the behavior of the network and I find the network is still not good. So I connect back computer 4 and now I disconnect computer 3. And I still find that it's not working well. I disconnect computer 2 and maybe that is where the problem was. They are the easiest types of networks to troubleshoot. Another point about the star topology is that they are more expensive to set up than the bus topology because of the cable requirements. We need a lot of cable to set up the star topology. That is for providing point-to-point connectivity. The star topology is fully dependent on the switch. If this switch gets faulty, then we have no network. That is a disadvantage of star topology. Many organizations are using the star network because it is very simple to set up and above all, it is so easy to troubleshoot. That troubleshooting makes it to be the most common or familiar network being used in the world today, especially in developing countries. Next we look at is the ring topology. That could be computer 1, computer 2, computer 3, computer 4, and that is the ring. Now this ring topology is the type of topology that is constructed using the fiber optic cable. The fiber optic cable is used to make the ring, and computers are connected to the ring. Then data flows in one direction. It could be clockwise or anti-clockwise. That is the ring topology. Data flows in one direction. So what will happen if computer 4 fails? There is a way, the computer 4 is set up in a way that if it fails, there is a device that will bypass computer 4 and the network will still be able to work. Now, why is it that many people would prefer the ring? Because of the qualities of the fiber optic cable. But earlier on in the previous lesson, you realized that the fiber optic cable is very expensive. So as much as the ring topology is efficient, it is not as common or as common in organizations as the star topology.